Let me tell you what is it. Can you see the tractor? From there we came, there is the gate. Okay. I will tell you later. This is our part 2 video. Now here is the trough. This is the back of the trough. Later I will take you to the CTC, fermenting, and the front of the trough. There are 26 troughs. All are open. Let me take you. First, we will go to number 1. And in the trough, here is an uncle named Birbal uncle. Okay, this is 1 number trough. See, the monorail is on. Wait. I am next to trough number 1. Okay. Now we came in the front side. This is the CTC. Trough number 1. It's jungly here. Trough number 2 also jungly. Trough number 3 jungly. Trough number 4 jungly. Trough number 5 jungly. Trough number 6, 7 and 8 are empty. Now let's go upstairs. 9, 10, 11 and 12. This is the first. Now we are moving to the first floor. We will continue to the second floor in the next part, which is part 3. There is the CTC. Let me show you. See, I will later take you to that room. Trough number 9 empty. 10 spreading, 11 empty, 12 is also empty. Okay, let's continue in part 3. Bye. Take care.